Hello, my name's Sara Spicer, and it's been such a blessing to be able to work with you, Angelyn Toth. You've been a friend to me, a mentor and business partner with Univera over the last, it's been about 15 years now, and I'd love for you to share, what did that look like for you all those years ago when you joined the company and you built that Univera business that you still have today?
Thanks, Sara. It's lovely to see you and work with you as well all these years. Well, 15 years ago, I was 10 years into a project of having a beautiful 38-acre retreat center on Bowen Island. And as much as it was a beautiful, fulfilling experience, and I'll call it a labor of love, it wasn't really earning the kind of money that I needed to earn in order to make ends meet. And at one point, I was 5 months behind in the mortgage, 3 years behind in property taxes, disconnection notices, and it was a really scary, scary time. And although I didn't know I was looking for another source of income, another business to supplement my retreat center, since it couldn't do it by itself. And when my dear friend Renee Beth brought this opportunity of Univera to me, I almost didn't see it. And I'm so glad that she was tenacious and really made sure that I understood what this was, that it wasn't about taking me away, but to bring something like a vehicle that would really support my business. When I captured a glimpse of what she was really offering me, I decided to jump on board. And at the time, I literally, Sara, I didn't have any money. I have maxed out credit cards. I didn't have any savings whatsoever. And at the time, 15 years ago, we came in with good, better, best. There were 3 different packs, good, better, best. And I said, well, what should I do to join this? And she said, best would be the best way to come in. Well, I didn't have the money, so I didn't know exactly how I was going to do that. But something inside of me knew that was the way. I wanted to make a full-on 100% commitment to doing this. So I decided I will find a way. So, they say beg, borrow, and steal. I didn't steal it, but I did find a way to come in with the best pack. So for me, the business, for us, the team, it took off like a wildfire across North America. It was fantastic. Moved through, to the different levels very, very quickly. Built a diamond business with the team and a community that I love, my family now, 15 years later, and created a very, very successful business. So I'm grateful beyond belief that this was even possible at that time.
Wow. Yes, it's very inspiring. And I remember when I came in, I had a similar need to replace my income that wasn't as sustainable at my other business. So Univera was the perfect parallel path for that. And so share a little bit about how you're feeling today in this current, with what's going on right now. How are you feeling about your Univera business, the community, the products?
Thank you, Univera. Well, first of all, the products around the immune system, keeping us healthy, the vitality in our products and nutrients. I'm so blessed and so grateful to have the products for myself and our community and as many more people that should be getting on these products. So that's number one. Number one is the community of people that I feel connected to and care about, and I'm linked to in these times. I'm not alone. We are together, and we're so fortunate to have Zoom where we can connect this way. But financially, Sara, our retreat center has been doing so well the last few years, fully booked, groups coming in from China, California, Europe, all over, doing week-long, 2-week-long programs. Fantastically successful. And in fact, this year we were full throughout the whole year until this crisis occurred. And then everybody canceled or postponed. They've postponed into next year or later this year. And we're in an unknown stage and space. And so we went from 100 to a 0 pretty much in my Xenia business. And it could be devastating, and I am devastated for a lot of reasons in the world about what's going on. But as far as financially, Univera was able to pay my mortgages, pay the food, and help the community here. So I am so grateful that we built this business all those years ago. And that's the beauty of this kind of a business, relationship marketing. It builds, and so every effort that we put in builds for the future as well. So I couldn't be more grateful. And I think we're poised to share this, to help others to earn 500 a month or something right now and get these products in their bodies. Wouldn't you say, Sarah, this is such an incredible time for us to be involved with this?
Absolutely. I think joining this company was the best decision I ever made for my life. And now more than ever, I almost have to pinch myself. It's so incredible what we have to offer for people. Thanks, Angelyn, so
Yay.
much.
Thanks, Sarah. Take care.